How to get a professional business email for free. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get a professional Gmail video for free. And for that we have to head over to our Gmail account first. So let's tap onto this Gmail account, like email, Gmail, Google, then tap onto add account. And after tapping onto add account, simply tap on to create account right here. So now here's the main part. There are three types of account type. For example, personal use, for child, and for work or my business. As our today's videos about how we can create a professional business account, so you must have to tap onto the last one, which is for work or business. So after tapping onto this, you have to tap on to get a Gmail address for you, or you can just tap onto it to try it up. So I'm just gonna tap on to get a Gmail address. Now you have to enter your first name and last name. It can be anything depending on your choice. Then just tap next and then tap onto the your month, day and year. Like this ones are your birthday and gender. You have to choose whether you are male or female. Choose it and then you have to enter the month. So I'm going to tap onto July and then I'm going to tap the date, then I'm going to add the year of 2004 and then we're going to tap next. So after tapping onto next, you have to choose a name for your Gmail account. For me, I'm gonna choose this one. Then you have to tap next and then you have to enter a password for it. So let's enter a password right now. Then you have to tap confirm, then you have to tap onto it and then tap onto next. Okay, let's use a strong password. So for that we're gonna use this. Let's see, I hope it will work. So now let's tap onto next. So there we go. Now you have to choose a phone number. You have to enter your country name and then you have to enter the number. Then next, then you have to verify your account and that is it. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye. And this is how you can create a professional Gmail account. So goodbye.